Just about everyone everywhere loves ice cream. And as a cook, few things are as easy and as rewarding as making your own flavor. Most of us use inexpensive domestic ice cream machines to make our own flavors of ice cream. But personally, I've never been very happy with the quality of ice cream you get from these machines. They simply freeze the ice cream too slowly. And freezing slowly allows time for ice crystals to grow really large, which gives ice cream a very gritty texture. We found a better way to make a high-quality scoop of ice cream. All you need is a wearing stand mixer and some liquid nitrogen. The job of the stand mixer is to churn your ice cream base. The liquid nitrogen freezes it quickly, making sure that you have ice cream that melts smoothly in your mouth. At 321 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, few things are colder than liquid nitrogen. With wisps of fog and its dancing droplets, liquid nitrogen might seem like an exotic ingredient. But as a gas, nitrogen makes up over 78% of the air we breathe. Cool it down enough, and it becomes a liquid.
To prepare liquid nitrogen churned ice cream, begin with your typical ice cream base and about 3 times your base volume in liquid nitrogen. This technique allows you to quickly make batches of up to 3 liters at a time. When you are finished, you can simply wash the bowl and paddle, then start with the next batch. While the wearing stand mixer is running, drizzle liquid nitrogen into your base, similar in the way you would add oil into mayonnaise. If you pour too fast, you will cause pooling of the liquid nitrogen, creating hard frozen clusters of base. It is wise to pour a little bit at a time. Let the fog settle and visually check that your base is freezing evenly. Once you feel comfortable with the process, you can pour a constant stream of liquid nitrogen, freezing the base very quickly while growing very small, even ice crystals. If you do notice that your base is freezing to the inside walls of the bowl, a quick fix is to use a blowtorch to release the frozen base back into the reach of the paddle, thus preventing low yields and allowing smoother textured ice cream. We've sped this clip up so you can see the whole process quickly. In real time, it will take a few minutes depending on how much base you are trying to freeze. But don't rush. Remember, the main goal here is to create an ice cream with quality before speed. If you do store your ice cream, you will want to place it in a container with minimal amounts of airspace. You do not want to promote freezing of excess moisture on the surface of your ice cream.
A good technique for quickly scooping ice cream is a one-handed quenelle, sometimes called a rocher. Begin by warming your spoon with hot water. Push the ice cream away from you with the spoon before reversing the motion and pulling the quenelle back towards you. With the aid of a wearing mixer, liquid nitrogen churning is a quick and simple way to get a high-quality scoop of ice cream.